Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rehana, practicing in Fran Golf Legal Consultants. Today I would like to talk about some common rental issues seen in the UAE. I believe everyone is facing some or the other issue in relation to tenancy with regard to rents, tenancy agreements. So first of all, let me tell you, the laws in relation to the rental matters varies from emirate to emirate. In the Emirate of Dubai, if you have a rental dispute, you shall file a complaint before the Rental Dispute Center, the RDC. In the other Emirates like Sharjah and other Emirates, you shall file a rental dispute complaint before the Baladiya or the rental courts. And I would like to advise you all, the landlords, the tenants, to have some basic documents to be used when a dispute arises. These are the original tenancy contracts, all receipts, the copies of checks, the identity cards of the parties, like the passport copies. And today I would like to discuss some common rental issues that I come across on a daily basis. One is the non-payment of the rents by the tenant. So if the landlord is not paid the rents by the tenant, even after 30 days of the notification made to the tenant, you don't have to wait anymore. The landlord can file a complaint before the competent authority, if in Dubai, before the Rental Dispute Center, the RDC. Second is the sub-lease by the tenant. This is usually seen where the landlords are not living in the country and the tenant sublease the premises of the landlord to a sub-tenant. And if the sublease is done without the approval of the landlord, this is considered an illegal act within the UAE, and the landlord can file a complaint, also file a case against the tenant. But the landlord should keep in mind, you should have the proof for the sublease, and if you do not follow this advice, your case can simply be rejected by the court. And the other issue is the fake real estate agents. So to prevent from being victimized by the forgery of the fake real estate agents, you should ask for the power of attorney from the agent before signing the contract. Also should ask for the agreement showing the agent's rights of actions, which will include his right to lease you the premises of the real owner. And the other issue is the non-returning of the security deposit of the tenant by the landlord. So in all the above cases, you shall file a complaint before the competent authority of your respective emirate. In this time of pandemic, where many of you are losing jobs and are unable to pay the rents, I would like to advise my followers to thoroughly review the tenancy agreements, and if you wish to terminate the tenancy contract, see if there is a termination clause within your tenancy agreement, and see if there is a notice period to be served before you can terminate the contract. Abide by the said clauses, and if there is no such clause within your agreement, you should abide by the laws of your respective emirate. I hope this video was informative. Should you have any questions or concerns, contact us on the number given below. Knowing your rights will always put you on the safer side of the law. For now, thank you for your attention. Have a good day.